Welcome back to Digicel Rising Stars in beautiful Ocho Rios. Imagine not being able to have auditions for 4 years. All that talent was just building up in these contestants just so they can face these guys. Hi guys, welcome to season what, 19?
Yeah, that's so
long. What's it like to be back?
Well, we're back on the road again. It's been a couple of years. I don't know. I feel a little rusty, but we'll find out.
Why do you feel rusty, Anthony?
I don't know, because the intervening years, who knows, what has changed?
I don't know.
Let's find out.
Let's find out.
Let's get him some WD-40.
All right.
Yeah.
Sounds like a plan.
We'll go fix you.
Well, you begin to ask yourself, what do we do again? How does this work again? I mean, you listen and then what happens after that? But it's exciting. It's glad we're glad to be back.
I'm happy about that as well. What did you miss about being on the road?
The people, the funny auditions, the people who can't sing, the ones who can sing, just the excitement of it all.
Yeah.
There's a spontaneity that you only get on the road. And this is, I think, what TV Land looks out for. They like the auditions because when you hit those high notes and they work, that's great. But when people fail spectacularly, people also want to sit out.
They love it as well.
They do.
Okay. Yeah. Elaine, you are Miss Excitement, always excited. So what are you excited about this season?
Oh my gosh, just new talent, people who are searching for their dreams. It's something that literally gives me goose pimples every time because I know it's not easy to stand up, especially in front of this lovely man here, this
And
teddy bear of joy.
Hey.
Did I?
Oh,
That's good to know.
Wow!
Well, thanks for that, Anthony.
Thanks for that, Anthony.
Conroy, what about you? What are you excited about?
I'm excited that people all over the country get an opportunity again to showcase their talent, and that we get a chance to go out to people and not just allowing people to send in things to us, so we can actually see them in live and live in color and sense their energy, because the show is also about personality, and so you can begin to sense somebody's personality, being in their presence and know what they'll transmit to an audience on camera.
Okay, not looking forward to going at each other and
Perhaps.
a little
We
bit.
don't do that.
You don't do that.
Don't
Anthony,
do
you know,
that.
say must be.
Yeah, you know.
Anthony's always honest.
Or I never respond.
Never, ever.
No,
Any
he's excited.
expectations this season, though?
No, not really.
Oh, wow.
I just want to say the best, and sometimes you want a mix of things. What people want is good entertainment on television.
Yeah.
You might not get the greatest singer in the world, but a couple hours spent watching some fun stuff on TV is time well spent.
Time well spent. Makes a big difference. Any
Agreed.
expectations, guys? Elaine, Conroy?
I'm expecting people to bring their air games, and I'm expecting that maybe they might start from C or B, but we're gonna bring them up to A, and we'll see people rise as the stars that they are.
Grow.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm expecting probably more people to say, Anthony, if you stop it.
There's a big bully. You must stop it.
Okay.
You're not for stay so.
Thank you very much.
And guess what, guys? It's time for the unleashing.
My name is Rayon. You can call me Ray Star.
Race star, wait no longer.
Birds flying high, you know how I feel. Sun in the sky, you know how I feel. Breeze drifting on by, you know how I feel. It's a new dawn, it's a new day, it's a new life for me. And I'm feeling good.